Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Does the video look a little strange today? Well, I'm recording this entire video with the RunCam 5 Orange. What is the RunCam 5 Orange? Well, do you remember the very old RunCam? Let me see, I have one here. This was my very first RunCam. This is the RunCam 2. I put it on many drones to film at 1080p 60 frames per second, and this was replaced many times with newer models, all the way up to the RunCam 5 right here. This is the RunCam 5. This is their latest model, really good. This one's black. So they came out with a new model. This is a 2019 model. They came out with a new model that is called the RunCam 5 Orange. Differences are, well, it's orange in color, and it records at 2.7K 60 frames per second. This one can only record at 2.7K 50 frames per second, and the RunCam, the new one, the RunCam Orange, has a 40%, an increase of 40% in the battery life. So if you charge it up, you'll get 40% more power. Now, if you go to buy a RunCam 5 right now, I think the only one you can buy is this one here, the RunCam 5 Orange. Now, I reviewed the RunCam 5 Black in the summertime, and I said it replaced the old GoPro Hero Session 5, which is this. See the nice 5 on the back. This one here, you can't really buy it anymore unless you get it from a discount store. You might find it on Amazon every now and then. If you have a lot of mounts for the old GoPro Hero Session, they will work with the RunCam as well. But since the RunCam 5 is less than $100, it doesn't have all of the features of the old Hero Session. In other words, the RunCam 5 is not waterproof, whereas the Hero Session was waterproof. But you've seen me use the RunCam in so many videos because I don't fly in the rain. I usually put it on drones, quads, RC cars, and other things because it doesn't weigh very much. It just weighs over 50 grams, and that's what makes it so popular for people who fly drones. In addition, the RunCam 5 is not designed for taking photos when you're on vacation. It is a video beast. That's all it's designed for. As a matter of fact, when you want to communicate with your camera to change settings and all that other good stuff, it's done on your phone. You basically install the app, type in what you want, just select. There's a bunch of pull down menus. You'll get a QR code. You hold your little RunCam 5 in front of the QR code. It does a beep, and those settings from your phone are now in your camera. It is that simple. All right, let's take the RunCam 5 around and check it out. Now, what I'm going to do is take the Tello. Remember the RYZE Tello right here? A lot of people would love to get 4K out of this since it's only 720p. And I'm going to stick my little RunCam Orange on the RYZE Tello. I should also mention that I'm recording this right now with the RunCam 5 Black, which is the version right before this, but it's exactly the same video quality. So let's take the Orange and put it on our little Tello here, because the Tello can lift some weight, and this is not very heavy. Now here's the problem. If you put it on the Tello, you can see right here, the props are going to hit it, right? So I'm going to stick a tiny piece of foam right here to lift it off the ground, so the props don't hit it. So if I put that foam there, then the props can spin and miss everything. So let's do that now. So I had to resort to an elastic, that high technology. So let's go see if this can fly. I'm pretty sure it can. Got the Tello down here and my phone right here, and I've connected the Wi-Fi. And once again, I'm recording this on the RunCam 5 Black. So there's the Orange, it's recording, and I'm on the Black. All right, I have my phone here. I'm gonna slide to take off. Here we go, let's see what happens. Whoa! So there we go. There's my Tello going up to the ceiling. I'll bring that down. So there we go. You should have a video of me in 4K with the RunCam 5 on it. Pretty darn good. Let's fly it around and see what kind of video we get. Go over that chair nicely. My little RunCam down there. Hey guys, there you are, and I'll take it up. Going up, and I'm trying to do this with one hand while holding my phone here. I'm gonna go forward. There we go. So there we go, I got a RunCam filming a RunCam. Yeah, you can put it on your Tello and fly around in 4K 30 frames per second. Or reduce the resolution to 2.7K and get 60 frames per second. All right, so now we're outside. I'm showing you how good the camera is outdoors. This is at 4K 30, filming with the RunCam 5 Orange. This is looking down my street. It is winter here. Now, I mentioned that you would not use this for vlogging because the microphone on here is not the greatest. It's not really designed for that. Once again, it's designed to be put on RC cars or just used as an action camera. So here you go. I'm going to turn the audio from this mic off, and you're going to listen to me with the cars driving in the background and see if you can hear me. So here we go now. All right, so what you hear now is the sound from the RunCam 5 Orange. How does that sound? Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. How is the audio? I'm guessing it's not that great. Watch when I switch back. All right, I've switched back to the audio coming from my lapel mic, and you can see there's a huge difference in audio. So if you use this as a vlogging camera, you'll probably need some sort of external microphone. Now I've got the garage door open over here, and I'm gonna press this button. It's gonna close, and it's gonna get pretty dark in here. So let's see how this camera works with very little light. There we go, the garage door is closed. So how's that working? The only light is coming from right up here. There's a little light bulb up there. This is low light. Here I am. So it's not too bad. The black should be black and everything else should be pretty good. I've tried this in low light before and I thought it was pretty good. All right, for this next test, I put the RunCam 5 Orange on my little RC car here. You can see I've been driving it around already, having a blast. And yeah, so let's see some footage of this thing going. All right, so that's the end of my review for the RunCam 5 Orange. If you want to know more details about it, I'm going to put links below where you can get it. I believe it's under $100 US. So if you want to see what comes in the box, stay tuned. The unboxing's next. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. And now, a quick unboxing of the RunCam 5 Orange. Here's the box, and you can see right on the front they write it is for RC fanatics, because anybody who's in the RC hobby has a RunCam of one type or another. So let's open this up and see what is inside. My God, it's the RunCam Orange. Let's pull that out and take a closer look. On the front, we have our very wide angle lens, which is normal for action cameras. Let's go to this side. You have the little 5. It's a sliding door. This is where, if I can get it open, behind the door is where you put your micro SD card, and this little thing up here, this hole, is your reset button. Going to the rear, you can see the number 5 is there with a bunch of holes. That's just for a little bit of venting. And on this side is where you're going to charge it up with your micro USB cable. One is included. If I look at the bottom, it's very grippy so that you can put it on objects, and the same on the top. You have a little button here to power it on, plus an indicator light. And if I power this on, you'll get some audio. Let me just push this in. There we go. So a solid light is it's on, and when you press it once, it is recording now. It should start blinking, and there we go. That's how simple it is to use. Let's see what else in the box. Pull out the RunCam, pull out the foam, and what do we have on the bottom? We have another box down here. Pull that out. We have a little bit of RunCam material down there, some instructions and some other stuff. And in this box we have USB cable to charge up your RunCam, and you get 2 RunCam Velcro that you would put on your FPV race quad, or if you want to strap down your RunCam onto something. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes my review of the RunCam 5 Orange. Really good if you're in the RC hobby. I'm sure you have a million uses for it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for many more drone reviews and reviews of all types of gadgets like this, RC cars, and whatever. Take care.